Hi, today I'm at Istana Hotel Kuala Lumpur, or as known as AC Hotel KL. Okay, so I'm going to do the routine checking. Okay, this is the HV room. Alright, inside this HV room, first of all, let us check the incomer panel. This is the incomer panel. Let's check the load. The load is quite low currently because the hotel is not in operations. Calibration date expired on 28/12/2021. Alright, need to do recalibration. Alright, here we have the heater testing switch to know the heater is in good condition. However, you can check the current for the heater in order to know more accurately. Protection relay is in good condition. Okay. Panel is quite dirty, need to do servicing. Let's check the tripping unit. Okay, termination is quite dirty. Cable hardened, need to replace cable. Battery water also need to refill. Servicing is required for this battery. Okay, room temperature overall, not to say so hot due to the low load. However, still need to improve. It's more than 30 degrees Celsius. This is okay. Need to on the inverter for the exhaust fan. Let's check the temperature. Temperature okay, no issue. Oil level okay. No unusual humming. No transformer oil leakage. The room is clean. Okay, let's proceed to the LV room. Here is not attached the ST Borang B. Recommended to attach the Borang B here so that it keeps on reminding us every time we enter this room that when is the renewal for the Borang B. Okay, now let us proceed to the LV room. I need to switch off the light first. Alright, this is the LV room. It's a bit noisy because the ventilation fan is in operations. Okay, this is the MSB number 1, the coupler unit, and MSB number 2. Alright, here we have a selector switch faulty that causes the fuse to blow, but haven't replaced yet. Most of the protection relay here has been replaced with new. Beforehand is a analog type, electromechanical. This type, electromechanical. Now it's all using electronic. Alright, let's check the power factor. MSB number 1, 0.96. In good condition. However, there's a few step faulty, already marked X. Let's check the other side. Okay, power factor 0.89, a bit low, however it's low load. Okay, step 3 faulty, step 1 faulty, step 8 faulty, step 9 faulty, step 10 faulty. Okay, fuse faulty, need to replace. We'll have to replace the cap bank first. Alright, later on we're going to test run this genset using jump wire from the ATS panel using a remote way. But before we test run the genset, we're going to check the genset parameters first. Okay, we go to the genset first. CO2 panel battery fail. Need to replace battery. Alright, this is the genset. Okay. Currently, because business not doing well, so temporarily they are using a lead acid battery first. It's way more cheaper. Okay. Let's check the battery water level. Okay. Make sure termination tighten. Alright. Okay, no engine oil leakages, no fuel leakages, no radiator water leakages. The floor is all dry. Okay, the floor is all dry. Last service, 30th September 2019. Almost about 3 years plus. Okay, how we know the genset is charging? We're going to use a DC clamp meter. Let's check the charging current. This float charge 0.4 amp. Okay. Oh, can you see from here? Quite low. This is the charger unit. Alright, you can have achieved the set point of the voltage value. That's why it cut off. Okay, anyway, later we'll have a check on it after we have test run. Panel seems okay. Okay, let's check the engine oil. Level seems okay, maximum level. Let's check the belting. Alright. Not much signs of harden. Okay, we're going to check the radiator water level. This is the fuel solenoid. It's just replaced. Okay. Supposedly during running time, the fuel solenoid will pull in. So this one will go up a bit. As when they release, the spring will push this fuel solenoid. It will knock on this handle. As this handle goes to the maximum, it will cut off the fuel. Okay. Let's check the radiator water level. Oh, rusted. Advised to replace cap. It's broken already. I wonder how I'm going to close it later. I can't even take it out. Let's take a test pen. Alright, this is the radiator water. Inside is quite bad. I hardly seen any water inside. Oh man. Advice to service. I think need to top up some water. I I need to close back this thing. Even replace also, I don't have one now. Okay. If I'm not able to close this thing, any power interruption, the genset run. As the temperature build up, water will spill up. So, however faulty is it, I must close it back. Alright. As long as it serves the purpose. So be it. Alright, after we have checked the parameters, then later we will test run the genset remotely from the ATS panel. Okay, there's plenty of defects here, so we'll have to advise the site person in charge to get it rectified. Okay, to test the genset remotely from the ATS panel, I'm going to use this jump wire. Okay. This is the ATS panel. I'm going to jump between that two terminals. Alright. Terminal number 4 and 5. Okay, let's jump in. It's not working. Let's check what's the problem. Auto. Okay. Release. Close. We'll try one more time. Okay. Doesn't seem to work. Okay, let's test manual from here. Right. No response at all. Controller seems fine. Okay, one more time. Okay, we're going to test one more time using the auto mode because I need to know what happened. Couldn't be there's any trigger of alarm just then causes relay is not reset that it couldn't start. Alright, we are going to try one more time. I'm going to jump here to see again whether it can run auto or not. Now no problem. Now it's running. Now the genset can start automatically. Okay, just then for the first trial, we failed to test the genset automatically from remote ATS panel. But after I go there, I use manual mode, also cannot. Later on, as I press the reset button, alarm cancel button, then I use the manual mode again successfully, the genset able to run. So it could be beforehand there's any trigger and then the alarm is not being reset. That causes the genset is not able to start automatically or start manually. So after I press the alarm cancel relay and the reset button, the genset no issue can run already. As for now, I can test the genset remotely from the ATS panel. Now no more problem. So sometimes it's difficult to say. As routinely, the more you test the genset, the more you will experience there are different kinds of problems. That is why preventive maintenance and periodic checking is very important. Okay, after 5 minutes, the genset stopped automatically, and then that proved that under auto mode, it can start automatically and can stop automatically. This is the most important thing because during TNB power interruption, we don't have to come here and manually on it. Okay, this is supposed the system to be. Okay, so nothing issue, only that previously this is the button I press, alarm cancel and reset. Okay, afterwards the genset back to normal condition. It can start manual and it can start auto and now can stop automatically. Okay, this is AC Hotel Kuala Lumpur, also known as Vistana Kuala Lumpur Hotel. This is the genset. Okay, I hope this sharing will help you in your work and thanks for watching. Goodbye.